Good morning students, welcome back to your maths class. In last class, we have discussed about large numbers, Indian and international system of numeration, face value, place value, comparison of numbers, ascending and descending order of large numbers. In this class, we will discuss more about large numbers and units of measurement, relation between the units of measurement and some word problems. So let's start with question number 8 of exercise 1.1. In question number 8, you have given shift the digits of the following numbers by interchanging the greatest and the smallest digits. In this type of questions, we have to change the place of digits and we will form new number. In this method, we will shift the digits and we will shift the digit to form a new number according to condition given in question. So in this question, the condition is interchanging the greatest and the smallest digits. So you can see in this question the number is 74,96,419, and in this question we have to change the digits of greatest and smallest digit. The greatest digit is 9, which comes 2 times, and the smallest digit is 1. We can interchange this 1 at units place or at 10,000s place, but units place comes first, so we will interchange these digits, and the new number formed by interchanging the greatest and the smallest digits will be 74,96,491. In this, we just change the digits of this 1 and 9. 9 comes at tens place and 1 comes at units place. Now in question number 9, shift the digits of the following numbers by interchanging the digits at hundreds and thousands place. In this question, you have to form a new number by shifting the digits at 100 and 1000 place. That is, you have to interchange the place of digits which comes at hundreds place and thousands place. Now in this question, the number is 9,51,535. The digits at 100 place is 5 and the thousands place is 1. So we will change these digits and the new number will be 9,55,135. We just change the place of digit at thousands place and hundreds place. 5 will come at thousands place and 1 will come at hundreds place. Now in question number 10, the condition is write the following numbers by arranging the digits in descending order. Here we have to form new number by arranging the digits in descending order, that is from greatest digits to smallest digit. In this question, the number given is 87,61,320, and we have to form a new number by arranging these digits in descending order. So first we will write the greatest number, that is 8, after that 7, then 6, after that 5 and 4 are not there, so 3, after that we will write 2, 1 and 0. Now the digits are in descending order, and the new number formed by arranging the digits in descending order is 87,63,210. In question number 11, we have to write the following numbers by arranging the digits in ascending order. That is, in this question we have to arrange these digits in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. The number is 87,46,132. Now arrange these digits in ascending order. The smallest digit is 1. So first we will write 1, then 2, then 3, after that 4, 5 is not there, so we will write 6, 7 and 8. Hence the new number formed by arranging the digits in ascending order is 12,34,678. Now come to the next question. In question number 12, form 3 7-digit numbers using the following digits. Also write the smallest and the greatest number. You have given 7 digits. You have to arrange them to form new numbers. You have to write 3 new numbers from them, one of which should be smallest and one of which should be greatest. Now the digits, 7 digits are 4, 7, 3, 8, 5, 8, 1. We have to form smallest number. To form smallest number, we will arrange these digits in ascending order, that is from smallest to greatest. So we will write 1, after that 3, then 4, then 5, 6 is not there, so we will write 7, and this 8 comes twice, so we will write 8 2 times. Hence the smallest number by arranging these digits is 13,45,788. In the same way, we can write the greatest number by arranging these digits in descending order, that is from greatest to smallest. So greatest digit is 8, so we will write 8 2 times, after that 7, then 5, 4, 3 and 1. So these two numbers are smallest and greatest respectively. Now we will write one other number using these digits. We can write any number using these digits. I have written 34,15,878. Instead, we can write 15,34,878. The choice is ours. In question number 13, form 4 6-digit numbers using the following digits while placing the smallest digit at ones place. In this question, there are 6 digits given and we will form 4 numbers using them. But one condition is also given, that is we have to place the smallest digit at ones place. That is, in each number we will write smallest digit among these at unit place. You can see in this question the smallest digit is 2 and I have written 2 at units place in each number. The first number using these digits is 8,86,542, then 8,68,542, 8,85,642, 8,58,642. We just follow the condition that the smallest digit should come at units place. Now start our next topic, units of measurement. In our daily life, we use different units to measure length, weight and capacity. We use grams, kilograms, milligrams to measure weight. We use centimeter, meter, millimeter, kilometer to measure length. We use milliliter, liter and kiloliter to measure capacity. Some of these units are standard units. Some of these units are standard units. Like meter is the standard unit of length, gram is the standard unit of weight, and liter is the standard unit of capacity.